Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the highlights that the Dynasty community had. Pretty recently, there was a war that I hosted, and I just got a lot of footage, and I'm going to put it as a video now. So have fun, and without talking too much, let's get straight to the video. Seba,
Fanboy.
go with Zoff and Seba. Eli,
Okay, okay,
yes.
okay.
And then Soterman, go over there. You go over there. I don't know who is this Maurice Purple nigga. I don't know. I swear to you. Maurice Purple Pimple or Nickel? My bad. Yalla. Uh, Michael B. Jordan, go over there. Michael.
Bro, we got the
Yes.
fanboy, bro.
What, I go over there?
We got the
Alhamdulillah.
fanboy. We got a group fanboy.
Michael! Tandaan Asipar.
Okay, God. Hey,
Tayo,
shut
dun
the
tayo,
first
dun tayo.
time.
Okay, I'm gonna
Shut
switch
the-
it.
HD,
Is everyone already here?
It's on. HB on.
bro, I'm already here, bro.
Yeah, shut up, we already know it.
Allah Akbar.
Hey, stop.
Allah Akbar.
Okay, but
Bismillah.
Go!
Bro, I swear to God, I'm so
Who the
confused,
fuck
bro.
are we fighting?
Who's your enemy?
Don't worry,
Allah
I'm just
Akbar,
gonna
Allah
be
Akbar.
spamming and hitting everyone, you know? Easy as
Yeah, bro. Free fall, bro.
Yeah, freak her out.
Oh yeah, daddy. Give it to me hard, daddy.
What the fuck?
Why did I not hit this guy? What the fuck? What?
We're locked in, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, man.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yo, I'm getting 3v1. Help me, gang. Yo. What the fuck?
I'm just gonna get this. Anyways,
Oh my god.
I feel like the weak point. Honestly.
Bro, help me.
beach.
I got.
No
butt fucked,
mapatay
bro.
par.
Hey guys, the other team has
Ano, mamatay pa ako, par.
Hey guys, the other team has 0 comms. Okay, just keep on coming. They don't.
One
have
fucking
this
guy.
yet.
Please help me.
Just keep on coming. Every. Oh, because few on one hit.
Sorry, man.
Ay, sorry, Oreo. Sorry, bro.
Allah Akbar.
So, man, ang rusty na to.
Allah.
No, bro.
Guys, pray.
My
to
own
win.
teammates are hitting me.
Guys, it's not pay to win, it's pray to win.
Ina mo.
You gotta pray to win.
Team to do switch them.
I think we need to figure out who the fuck our teams are.
Yeah.
stupid hole.
You're so bad. Oh my
Yeah,
fucking
bro.
God.
Alright, stop. Leave the game, yeah? Fucking black minority.
Allah Akbar.
Come on, number.
Okay, say Buzz 2-hit or 1-hit. I don't know.
Oreo, help me. Nice one.
What?
Okay, I hit Zomp.
Dynasty is not there.
Oh, ina mo.
No.
It doesn't help you, bro.
Hey, these fucking
Oof.
guys are crazy.
Allah.
These guys are like idiots.
Yeah, but you're getting raped, bro. Yeah, it's getting raped, bro.
No, so bro just rooting against us. That's fire. That's so fire.
Hey, whoever gets most clear, could get a
Hey, guys, we need to lock in.
Lock in, guys, lock in.
Oh my God, I butt
Come on,
fucked
guys,
this
my
guy.
bad. Oh shit.
No,
Okay,
friendly
so
fire,
Zomp
bro.
was hit. No, I hit Zomp. I hit Zomp. Okay,
So how are you guys doing? You guys doing good?
Yeah.
No.
Hell no, bro.
game.
Yeah, you see? Are we doing good?
I don't fucking know, just have fun, bro.
Yo, one guy died and he started fucking screaming like a real warrior, bro. He went
Bro
down
got sent back
screaming.
500 years.
He went down screaming.
Bro, Dynasty is so beautiful now, what the fuck?
Yo, Shuck, Wallahi, you're blocked, bro.
It always has been beautiful, bro. You just never knew it. Yo,
I got you. I got you.
oh, yo, these Asians. Yo, no. These Asians. They pissed me off. This shit was off here, bro. This shit was off
I
here.
need help.
I just I just saw this guy get like 10v1.
Bro.
Wait me to party. Let me party. I'll help. Let me party.
It's full.
Party is full, bro.
Never mind, bro. Y'all gotta lock in.
Bro, he's like a six.
I'm so like.
Go, guys. Nice game, bro. Nice game, bro.
Okay, stop.
And I agree. And then Seba's team was just straight up idiots. Eli Bilal.
Oh, we got raped, man. Yeah, we
Yo.
got raped,
What was
man.
that for, you fucking hoe? Hey, minus
Hey,
10.
you
Okay,
deserve it.
minus
Stop,
1 point,
bro,
minus 1
stop,
point.
man, you
Minus
deserve
fucking
it. You
10. I don't
deserve
give a
it.
fuck. Minus 10.
Minus 1
10.
point.
No, minus
Man,
10.
Okay.
I
what
don't
is
give a
this?
fuck.
Oh,
Minus
hell no.
10.
What is this, bro?
Okay.
Hell no, bro. Man, fuck you.
Yo.
I love
Oh, heads.
Eli, you too. Tails.
It-
Ah, you
it's
get it.
I don't want to hear you, man. Shut up.
Whoa. Okay.
Go in
That's
your
cold.
corner. Get in your corner.
Cold. Damn.
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Bro, I'm not recording. I'm listening to music.
3, 2, 1. Hey, scream.
Oh, let's go.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Ah.
Ah.